Hey guys, we are continuing the scan. This is video number 2 for today, November 23rd, 2019, of scanning between 20 and 21 UTC. So this is checking out the different shortwave signals. So the first video, you can check it out. We scanned from 5505 to 6604, and now we're going to continue. And of course, scan from this 6619. There's some digital signal here, and go up. And of course, with comments as usual. So let's see what's on the bands that we can hear. Some interference. Let's move on to 6710. We are right now. Anything else? 6720. Nothing much there. Moving up, we've got, of course, something here. Interference. We've got Pirate Station. Pirate Station on 6955. So 6955 kilohertz. And we, of course, will talk to make sure that we're not getting any copyright problems. HF Underground on the frequency for shortwave pirates right now says that 6955 is, well, it's not even showing there right now. So 6955 is not actually showing up at this time for this pirate station. So it's probably logged on not long ago. So this is really interesting. It's in what seems to be upper sideband, if I put it in. Yep. This is definitely upper sideband. So pirate over there. Now look at this. You guys wondering what this is? Look at all the signals here. And let's put it here so you guys can hear some Morse code. So this weekend is actually the CQ Worldwide CW contest. CW is Morse code. So look at all the signals there in 40-meter band. Pretty amazing when you look at it. Pretty amazing when you look at it. So really, really cool. It's one of those times when lots of activity. That, you know, shows you that there's a lot of people. There's a lot of actually activity on the amateur band. And it's unfortunate that we need, you know, contests to show that. Okay, let's move on here. Above the 40-meter band of all the signals that you've got. Sorry here, I'm just gonna go here so that my low frequency follows me. Okay, so we will put this a little more concentrated. Of course, all these CW signals that we've seen at the bottom of the 40-meter band. Then there's some stations here. For example, let's check it out.
Bravo, Juliet Sierra, calling CQ.
Sorry.
And listening.
This is Kilowatt 8 Delta Tango Whiskey KBTW.
40-meter band activity. Anything else? Micro signal here. It's one of the bands that I like to listen to for ham activity.
You actually sound coming this way. K5, KC3, OEP, AC4, KW.
See some ham activity. So 7205 is Radio France International in French. This did sound in French, so I do have here that it's Adventist World Radio in French from the Austrian transmitter site. This is the same transmitter site that Radio Austria broadcasts.
Where the heck's all these people coming from?
These are AMers. This 7290, 7295. Lots of amateur radio operators in AM mode.
But there is a lot of land, but then again, I think there's just people all jammed in one area. But the roads, were made, 60 or 70 years ago, were not made for that type of traffic. And even though they widen the roads.
And 305. This could be a possible China Radio International. This is... You guys should see this, Mr. Paul. Wondering what I'm doing. And so, 7350. Sounds French. And I do think it is 7360, sorry. No, it's not in French. It's another one. It could be... This is possibly a voice of the Islamic Republic of Iran. Vatican Radio 7365. Possibly. Radio Romania 7375. That's the Romanian service. I'm very strong here. Interesting, I got some weird buzzing. This could be actually. It's not very strong, but with the music, it sounds like it could be Voice of America in Korean from the Philippines. Oh, that's nice. Some little Asian activity here. It's very interesting to tune these signals. So what's on the upper part of the range? Of course, let's go up. 7520 is possible CRNR1 jammer or Radio Free Asia, because that's what's supposed to be there at this time. We've got a... Looks like some kind of interference. Anything else?
Ovviamente dal trasmettitore di occhi Stati Uniti. E se invece volete scriverci, magari per segnalarci dei rapporti di
So this is obviously WRMI. Oh, interesting. Look at that big fat signal that just appeared here on 7600 to 7650. So that is radio WRMI. kind of interesting to see what we hear. So we're gonna stop here and continue on a next video for more scans today. As time permits, I'll try to make a few more. A lot of you seem to like the scanning the bands with comments, letting you know what I hear. I'm trying to find out. Of course, I'm using eibi-space.de for the schedules and the information. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.